Big bros of the world, man. Big bros of the world. We back at it, man. We back at it. Here back again. I know y'all ain't seen me in a while. Y'all like, damn, where this nigga face been? And here I go, man. Here I go. We back. Got us a cool, calm little video. I know y'all read the title. See the thumbnail. So y'all know what we about to do, man. I want to cry because I ain't even update y'all. Oh, my God, I want to cry. Oh, my God. We approaching that number. And by the time y'all see this video, we probably already approached it. But it's all good. It's all good, guys, because we going to drop a video on that because we approached that fucking number. But like I said, y'all read title and thumbnail, so y'all seen what we came here for. We came here to install this motherfucking badge, nigga. This SRT badge, nigga. Now, but it ain't just any old SRT badge, you know. We getting our car together. We done have fun with it. Now it's time to deck it out, make it a motherfucking rich nigga car, make it motherfucking known for what it's gonna be known for, my nigga. So now we got our badge. And it finally came. Shout out my boy. Shout out my boy. He got us together. Shout out my boy. You see the name, Kobe. See, we got together. We good. I'm gonna leave his shit in my description or whatever. You know, same person who did my stars, he did my badge. He didn't do the install. I gotta install it, but oh shit. I don't want to break it. This shit fragile. Tell you ain't never seen a nigga shit like this. You ain't never seen a nigga shit like this. So, you know, if you ain't tapped into the live, then you wouldn't even understand what that is. But if you ain't tapped into the live, we always live on Twitch and shit like that, man. Whole different community over there than it is over here. But if you want to join the franchise community, we franchise jokers over there. Hence why we got that, because we franchise jokers over there. So if you want to come join that, you know, I'll leave that in the description as well. It probably is already in the description, but I probably don't even promote it. But yeah, that was that clip. So now we about to get basically into the install. I'm by myself, so we gonna do this by ourselves. Hopefully it ain't nothing crazy. I gotta disconnect my battery. They say disconnect your battery. I need 13 mils or shit like that. Yeah, like a 13 mil or 9/16, some shit like that. So we finna get into it. We gonna see how easily and how quickly we can get into this real quickly. No cap, no rap cap, no bap. Get into it. Next clip it. Alright, it got dark out here, big bros, but you know, this is set up. It's a little dirty under here now. I ain't washed it in a minute. I kind of been neglecting it, but here you go. You know, you put the negative, you know, you gotta twist that up, you know, put it under there, twist this up, you know, pop this, twist this up, put it under there, and then, you know, if you can see it, nope, you can't see it. I did a real good job. But then, you know, I pop this off. I'm not gonna pick it back up, honestly. But I pop this off. Probably see if I can, oh shit. See if I can, see, I popped this off. Connected it through. So, put my shit back. Hold on, because you know I want it to be secure. Yeah, secure, pop that off. And then I gotta get a new grill, because as you see, the head don't fit in there, but feed it through there. Fed it through there. Once I get a new grill, then I gotta do this all over again. But yep, feed it through there. You know, once you feed it through there, then you bring it up. And then I just did the neat thing of tucking it, you know, tucking it into the body, so that way it don't be cords everywhere. Hoping that this doesn't do anything as far as like burn up or anything. But then, yep. And then once you do all that, you got this. And I know y'all probably gonna want this. So if you want a badge like this, you gotta go to my description. Like I said earlier, the same person who did my stars did this. He gonna be doing my side markers, more than likely my ambient lighting. He gonna be doing all that shit. So tap in with him. He do shit, you know. I still got motherfucking, yeah, I gotta get a car wash now, but ooh, I'm looking too cold. I mean, I'm looking crazy now. Ooh, I'm looking crazy now, and you motherfucking adjust it with the app so I can have all types of colors, any color I want. Yeah, I'm looking too crazy now. Damn.
So if I can stick to the grind, I can get my wrist flooded. You just don't jump in the Porsche.
Big bros of the world, man. Next day, lo and behold, you know, if you seen the clip before this, then you know, motherfucking, we installed that bitch. We installed the motherfucking badge. There go the shit right here. I'll probably get out the car once I end it. There go the shit right here. We installed the badge. Now we driving with that bitch. No cap. I'll give y'all a quick little POV. End it off with the badge. Let y'all hear some shit. Gotta get a mode. Let's see something. Throw that bitch in the man.
I've been popping for a minute, nigga. Yeah, I'm still buzzed. I got 5 different incomes, nigga, and I still hustle. I call shots in my ghetto, nigga. I got real muscle. Ain't no getting back cool. Pussy boy is still fuck. It's still fuck. You still fuck. Pussy boy is still fuck. Nowadays, these niggas telling you can't get trouble with these niggas. I done took so many losses just from fucking with you, nigga. I'd rather hustle by myself. I can't hustle with no nigga. I remember when bro told me don't be trusting all these niggas. Boy, you fucking with an ape. You fuck around and met your match. I know magic in it.
Throw it in the manual once we get at a red light. That way. I ain't messing up no transmissions or nothing. It's ego too, chat. We want to throw it in motherfucking manual anyway. So now it's in manual. There's ego too. Nothing on there. I mean, nothing. No sport. I ain't press the sport. We press the sport, then it's really gonna be getting loud and crazy. Everybody gonna be looking. Oh my god, who is that guy? You feel me?
All out of hat. If you gonna talk your shit, nigga tell a fact. Niggas can't hide. You don't get it just like Reg, you need to let it go. I'm off a pink, my bitch geeking
off a edible.
You say you having paper, so what you tellin' for? Until we see it's black and white, we'll never know. Them niggas act like groupie hoes, all that dick suck. If I can stick to the grind, I can get my wrist flooded. You just not jump in the porch, little nigga, I been thugging. I've been popping for a minute, nigga, yeah, I'm still buzzing. I got 5 different incomes, nigga, and I still hustle. I got shots in my ghetto, nigga.
Nothing about that, chat. They don't know nothing about that. Everybody good? did it. Would've did it. They don't know nothing about that chat. They like, damn. Damn, man. Ego? That's how you coming, Cole? And ego? Gotta let them know. Ego? They don't even wanna go. And ego? A nigga gon' play, he gon' get blown. And ego? And ego? Sometimes gotta let it breathe. Sometimes gotta let it breathe. Sometimes, you feel me? It's already roaring, you know, it's purring and shit. You gotta let it breathe. Give it motherfucking a good air intake and shit. Ooh, we see another Charlie over there. See another Charlie over there.
This shit like fast food. Who done gas you? TTL, I'm on the way, I just let Matthew. Fuck the talking, I'ma show him what these racks do. That's a button on that Glock, what do that do? Just muff my bitch in the head, I'm in a bad mood. Phone slamming, I can't even get a call through. I really fuck with you, baby, I can't dog you. A split ain't shit, that's on my jaw though.
I thought they was the only ones balling, bitch, we balled too.
Man, them niggas act like groupie hoes, all that dick suck. If I can stick to the grind, I can get my wrist flooded. You just not jump in the Porsche, little nigga, I been thugging. I've been popping for a minute, nigga, yeah, I'm still buzzed. I got 5 different incomes, nigga, and I still hustle. I call shots in my ghetto, nigga.
They like, damn, no way he coming like that. You know, after a good POV, we always gotta get gas, but they like, damn, no way he coming like that. No way he coming like that. No way. I ain't gonna force it or nothing.
Ain't no getting back cool, pussy boy, still fuck you. Still fuck you, pussy boy, still fuck you.
Cheap ass niggas, still fuck you. Hey, get off me, dickhead. Fuck is wrong with you? Get off me. Faster than your car, nigga. Don't rob my motherfucking bumper like I'm not out like I'm not out here doing the motherfucking good speed limits and shit, my nigga. Are you you fucking crazy, dumb, or stupid. Out here doing magnificent speed limit, my nigga. And you want to ride my bumper like I'm going slow or something. No, what's gotten into niggas? Car is not like that, pal. Y'all don't know nothing about this. I forgot they put a speed hump on this shit. So now it's no more just going crazy on this motherfucker, drifting this bitch. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No, ain't no more none of that. Ain't no more none of that. Ain't no more none of that. Now you gotta drive normal and cautious and slow. Now you gotta drive all cautious, normal, and slow. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. I don't know what's going on. People outside, okay. Nigga chugging in there. Y'all seen him, chat? I don't know if y'all seen him. He's chugging in that motherfucking car. I don't know what he chugging. He chugging something though. He said chugga 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 chugga. Oh, what's the hold up? Oh, what's the hold up? Oh, we both was turning. Turn off, Buster. Turn off, Buster. Let me see what.
I don't know nothing about this either.
Type of bag was he in? Well, you always saying have a bag. What type of bag was he in? Because I see it and I want it and I got it. Oh, we got niggas running around like they invincible. nighttime during the downtown vibes, huh? What is this Spectrum slow ass car doing? No entourage outside, huh? Guess I will have to go downtown or something, huh? Where the entourage at? Where the people? Walk across that street. Man, she got it. I need you to I just ain't play with some dog shit. What? Real carriage. Say she never been with her street now. Hell yeah, I brought my button and my button out to eat with us. Oh. She said I came back, yeah, I came in the Benz. Ooh, your ex ain't have a bag. What type of bag was he in, nigga? Say she came up, never been in the Benz. Bitch, I came in the Benz. Yo, ex ain't have a bag. What type of bag was he in? We ain't move nowhere. It's all good though, child. It's gonna be that. It's gonna be coming towards the end. This was just a quick little clip, you know, after installing it and shit. Nothing crazy. After installing the badge and shit, showed y'all showed you how to, you know, install it. But if you want like a even more detailed video, I don't know how more detailed it can get, but I'll have somebody record me and then, you know, do another side or something, or get another one, I guess. So, but we need motherfucking likes on this video. So how many likes can we get on this video? Let's get 20 likes, man. What's up? We need 20 likes on this motherfucker. For them roars, you hear that? I'm asking folks 20 likes for those. That's all I'm asking. 20 likes. I know y'all can do that. What was that? I gotta get some better tires. My shit is cooked. I'll show y'all my tires so y'all can see how cooked they are. Tires is cooked. Somebody in my spot and shit. Alright, chat. Hold on so I can show y'all the clip of that shit and shit like that. I mean, actual install of the badge. Show you the badge. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me show y'all the badge and then show you how I work on my phone and shit like that. Hold up. Hold on. And we can go these. And we can go these. We can go that. We got all types. Water. All off this app. Whoop. Park up right here. But there's people right here. They eating? Look like they eating. Right here by the white folks, my racists. Park up in my spot by the white folks, my racists. But yep, that's the badge. Now we got a grind. We got a 24-hour. You want to see me eat this hot chip? 24 hours. 24 hour. You want to see me eat this hot chip? We got a 24-hour stream. Come and join the stream. You know, you might see me eat this if you join the stream. Get there. We're gonna be eating hot chip, all type of crazy shit. You know, get in there real quick. The link will be in the description. But we gotta go back, get back crazy, go back going hard. You know, play this simple.